This plating thing and stop height and God no making come up with something. So papa inapi mo get something. Top years no pignin ito so emma come up Christ na emet emma die. No bind back you mean kisim you God palusim sin you. No you can stop holy. Na this plat as well and God suppose you stop holy. Yung God pa kisim you mean yumi come up sa pignin ito. Ini lo narak lah, lo work isla work ko. Price ito yung make yung bata.
Chapter 16, you may have him. All passing when been come up to Abraham one time, Sarah and Hagar. This Lord passing him come up and showing me also. Abraham to him. Abraham God call him believe man. That's all. Inside to display have I know him believe to Abraham to him and say quickly. Well some time Mary blongan bin toki mem lo kisim walk Mary blongan na game blongan na sili one time. Emo se em boss man papa lo house em head lo family so em not lo batok nokat lo Mary blongan mo em can talk. Godiet ba give mo se mem promise lo mi.
Abraham no bianim road straight la road no atem bianim road lumpagara. Emi no tingin promise we God toki mem. And behind him like lo Sarah Mary blongem na and kisim Hagar. So Sarah go tokim Abraham usem Hagar and tok biket lomi. Person I'm this plan aswa do you. Basol Sarah inu sawesen emetem aswa. Emetem tokim Abraham no silikontem. Wok Mary blongem Hagar. So lem lukim time book Mary blongem ating bel blongem. Untuk biket blongem. Emi no sausen emetem aswa. No what em luken em go outing sla nungut we wok Mary blongem bin making lo em. Time Hagai got bell and make him passing to biket and saking to emino bianim road to para where and talk biket lo walk boss Mary blongan Sarah. Abraham no bianim road straight la road no at and give him talk alright lo Mary blongan Sarah lo and can make him something no like lo boss lo over something. When him something him la making lo Hagar I must make him. This plan emi no bianim straight la road and then him road lo bagarap to. You know outim aswa bilong you. Tasol you outim aswa bilong arapela. Or sem Sarah ibin making long Abraham time Hagar ibin big head. You miss a making splakan passing long cross na cross long all Arab lausen Sarah ibin making this platu emi no straight tarot em road no bagarap passing the big head em road no bagarap.
Dan bili pa Abraham igo sem kanda andro pikli ki go kena wo pro hanta. Sem disla ro tunam sem God like time Abraham no. So God to kim Abraham lo kisim bringi Isaac ki lo mountain Moria lo. Kim opa lo. O kili men naralin pa ken kuki morgeda. So Abraham am behind him to. Am haring disla to from God na am behind him. Am behind him to from God. Abraham kat disla kain ting-ting o sem em kim Isaac from God asol still am God ba kirapin back Isaac here. Okay, believe true em long behind him top long God. So Lord get a time no life believe me you may start and you may must pass one time God believe true lo time nung good you find him time heavy or good pa time still you pass on time God and this line and believe true and God am like him. Believe pro this la to sem God am ina pro kirapin back diamond too. Abraham no make him opayet lo kill him Isaac yet and God stop him em. God stop him, no can kill him Isaac. God give one plus sip lo Abraham no. Disla sip mas simples lo Isaac ken. Na Abraham no can kill him Isaac na kuki. Abraham kisim sila sip na kukim no paya kukim olgida na kisim place long Isaac. So Abraham call him name don disla place and mountain Moriah. And place where big plat he give him. So I'm calling disla place and Moriah and place where big plat he give him.